Okay, Ryan, so your last couple of papers have been above the 50s, so let's see if that continues to improve and you get closer to the 70 that we need. Right, here, meters squared, that squared there, triggers area, okay, and this is length. So it's just meters that we want for that. The other three are right. 58 is bang on the money there. So total for the first page is 11. That's all right, but you know what I'm going to say? Should be in a pencil, so you could have rubbed out that mistake there. 5 marks for that page. Good start, right? Excellent. This is much more like it. Right, the problem that you've got here is you're telling me that the number he thought of was 20. That's what comes out. The answer I'm looking for there is that one. That's the number he thought of. Now you haven't made it clear, so I can't give you, well, your method is bang on, I can't give you both marks. Multiply the difference of the number by 4. It's not the difference of the number, it's the previous number. Okay, you take the previous number, you times it by 4. But not only is that an issue, this is an issue as well, because you haven't written it as a word. 27 is right. This is wrong because you've got that x squared there. This part of it is right, but because that's wrong, I can't give you the mark for that one. The rest of it is good. 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 13 for the page. Right, the range isn't 62. The range is the biggest, take away the smallest. So on that list, the largest number is 80, the smallest number is 35. So the range is 45. So that's correct for the mean. That's the range. There, okay. The median you haven't done. You need to put those in order of size, largest to smallest, and find the middle. Take a look at the video clip. You should be getting full marks for a question like that. No, this is wrong. You've done them the wrong way around. That should be a multiply, that should be a divide. If you think, if £1 is 119 euros, £2 will be twice as much, 238, and so on. So you're timesing the number of pounds you've got by the exchange rate. Here, you're doing the opposite, so you're turning euros into pounds, you're going to divide. So that one should be a times, and that one should be a divide. So, unlucky, but out of the 4, I can't give you anything for that. So that wasn't a good page. You should have got full marks on that page, and you got 3. And then, what goes wrong then? Okay, you should be able to answer questions like that. Not necessarily working that one out. Question 11 you should be able to do. Question 12 I'll go over in class. That's right, well done. You should be able to do that. Right, your scatter graph has got some of those points are wrong. What you've done is let's have a look. That one's right, that one's alright, that one's right, that one's right. That one shouldn't be there, and there's one missing up there as well. So you get 1 out of 2 for that. That's right, that's right. And yeah, that's okay. So 2, 1, 4 for the page. watch my clip for these in particular. That one looks scary because of the words, but is relatively straightforward too. Okay, well that was a mind-blowing start, but it tailed off very quickly, so this may not be as good as the original promise set out. 11, 16, 27, 40, 43, 46, 50. Well, that's a shame because, as I said, the first few pages you were faultless. You just need to extend that further up the paper. So 50 marks is an E. You're only 5 marks from a D, but 20 marks off that C. And there is a lot of marks in there that you should have been able to get. You just left out, Ryan. So encouraging, but probably 3 weeks away from the exam. I need to see a bigger improvement of you quite quickly.